Here is question from just 2017 from electrostatics. In this question, the given question is a solid insulating sphere of radius 1 cm has charge 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb distributed uniformly over its volume. It is surrounded concentrically by a conducting thin spherical shell of inner radius 2 cm and outer radius 2.5 cm and is charged with 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. What is the electrostatic potential in volts on the surface of a sphere? So let's solve this question. For solving this question, our given situation is given as there are two concentric spheres. Let this is a sphere and there is another sphere. Let this is one sphere, spherical, and there is another sphere. This is another sphere. So for first sphere, there is a charge of 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. The charge is 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and in this portion there is a charge of 10 to the power, again 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and in the outer sphere it is given as the charge is equal to the net charge or net enclosed charge will be, as there is a charge distributed on the outer sphere, is equal to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and inside this sphere or inside internal sphere that is equal to plus 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So net enclosed charge on outer sphere will be equal to minus 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Now our net potential V will be equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q dQ1 divided by R1 plus Q2 divided by R2 plus Q3 divided by R3. So net potential will become V will be equal to, as the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, and as the value of Q1 equal to 10 to the power minus 7 and its radius is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 2, again the value of Q2 is equal to minus 10 to the power equal to minus 10 to the power minus 7, and its charge distance is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 minus 2, and again the charge on the third sphere or net enclosed charge is equal to minus 10 into 10 to the power minus 7, and its radius is equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Therefore we can say our net potential will be 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 5 multiplied by 1 minus half minus 1 divided by 2.5. If we calculate this value will be V equal to 9 into 10 to the power 4 into 0.1. So which will become, so our net electric potential V will be equal to 9000 volts.